Press Information Bureau ringkat kerja trailang bat ke Shillong Press Club akakat kena terik ulbiar arajar RPR kalau pelong gajinya Jingiaphylliew Jingmut Halor kamar kabidei bat ka Good and Services Tax bat kumjuru akabidei bat ka Mangtyngka jongka sokar jela bat kumjuru jongka sokar kemi ia kini Jingiaphylliew Jingmut la pelong apa Shillong Club aga bala shimanta ki officer naka tax department bat kumjuru ginoi kai jongka IIM bat nehu ki bala batai persyai halor ke jing Mangtyngka bat kumnu ka kata ye ki pajba kumjuru nak kalian jong ki bri ke bri na pa ka tax department ki la batai ye kor komsiu ye ka GST bat kumnuru kairap ye ka sarkar ka bayo bandung khajana habari ba ka jing Mangtyngka na kalian ki noi kai ki badai na IIM bat nehu ki la batai ba ka jing Mangtyngka kalong ba ka don kam ba ki pai ba ken sngu thu ba kumnu kairap ba ka kata ye ki ha ka jing imjuki man la kasngi.
As can define the present budget 2022, which has tried to focus on all these points which have been mentioned from time to time to achieve the larger objective. The budget highlights of the present budget is when I say the clarity of objective, the budget is very clear in its efforts to prioritize big ideas for the transformational change, putting citizens at the forefront of policy making. We have the government of the people, by the people, for the people, and this budget translates these three aspects, three dimensions of our unique democratic structure within the policies which we are going to discuss now.
After introduction of GST, the central government also think fit to establish more training institutes and centers across the country. Keeping in that in view, National Academy of Indirect Taxes, Custom and Narcotic, Zonal Compass also being opened in Shillong. The permanent compass will be in New Shillong Township. It is functioning fully now in Shillong in rented premises. The objective of this training institute, apart from training the GST and custom officers, is to impart training to all the state GST officers